Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this rather grey and wet day, but the property in front of me is the one that I'm bringing you. It should make you smile. So this is on Askew Drive in Spencer's Wood. It's a lovely quiet area, nice little cul-de-sac, just bringing you an idea of the houses in the road. So this is being a live video. Feel free to ask questions, I'll do my best to answer them. You can also ask for private viewings and things like that. So without further ado, let's head on into the home. So this is a no chain property. It is a 3-bed detached home as well. And I'm just going to bring you round to the right and into the reception room. So this measures in at just literally inches, just under 27 feet long. It's a lovely big spacious room, lots of furniture. It is all being cleared, and I'm just heading down to the other corner just to give you an idea. Looking back, you've got these lovely big windows which will let lots of light in during a summer's day. Now at the end there's the conservatory-esque study, a lovely big window overlooking the garden as well, and then there's a couple of sheds and greenhouse to the rear. Behind that are fields as well, and I believe that they won't get built on either, sort of no planning has been granted for or applied for or granted for any housing development in there. So lovely little office or study, and then to the side, I'm just going to take you through here. So we have this little hallway, and there is a downstairs WC. Oh, someone's asked for a viewing already, so yeah, we'll get onto that for you. And then on the other side, you've got this large storage area which is under the stairs, lovely and spacious throughout it as well. Heading into the kitchen, so kitchen has everything in here that you need, so with the sink and hob, oven. Here's your boiler. Now the boiler is a bit old, but it's not cold in here at all. It does work. And then in here we've got a nice little larder. Just trying to give you an idea of this one here. And then what we'll do, let's head on out and I'll show you the garage as well. So that's the garden. But what I'll do, so you've got a side gate just here, and I'm just going to take you into the garage as well. So it really is it's quite a nice space. So your meters are all here. Okay, and then you've got garage door. Now what a lot of people do, sort of knock in to make this another downstairs room. Quite easily do that. I believe next door have done so in the past as well, so quite a few would have developed into as well. But the thing that you're getting in here is the space and the potential for it all. I'm just going to take you down the garden. It is a bit wet out here, so apologies if I slip over, but heading on down, you've got these lovely big sheds. They are locked, but nice dry storage area, and then there's a little bit of space just behind as well. So it's actually a really good sized garden. I'm just looking back at the house here, lovely and peaceful. From upstairs we will get an idea of the fields behind. And we'll head upstairs now. There we are. Right, back into the warmth. It is rather chilly out here. Oh, trip over. Right, come on then guys, so let's head on upstairs. So back round to the front door. So I suppose where this wall is here is where you would probably look at opening up into the garage. But I'll take you upstairs, and then take you to bedroom number 3. So this here is the smallest of the 3 rooms, but really nice size double. And over here, if I move closer, should be able to see out over the fields to the rear of the property. Lovely big furniture, nice big mirror as well, makes it feel a whole lot larger. This is the main bedroom, really good sized double bedroom on here, lovely and spacious, and again it's got these lovely big windows overlooking the front. Main bedroom, it has the built-in wardrobe all on here as well. Nice thick carpet under feet. Across the hall you have your WC, quite spacious. You've got your airing cupboard just here. Now this is bedroom number 3, and again it's a nice comfortable room. Recess there for wardrobes, actually they're built in, sorry. So built-in wardrobes to the end here, and then you have built-in wardrobes here as well. And then again, nice window overlooking the front and the road. Askew Drive is a lovely quiet area, nice and private. It's a cul-de-sac, so you don't get through traffic, which is fantastic. And then this here is your family bathroom. Now, no toilet in here because the toilet was separate, but there's the sink, wall and mirrors. You have your bath, nice deep bath, and then they have added a shower as well. So it's a really spacious room, and you could either take the bath out and put a toilet in, or move the shower. There's all sorts of potential into it that you can do. You do also have an attic, which is up here, but given the eaves coming up here, it's more storage than developing. But this is a lovely, spacious home, 3-bedroom home, detached, and it is now on and ready for viewings and to be sold. So it's no chain, as I said. So if you are interested in it, do please get in touch with myself, and I'll love to book it in and show you around privately, because I think you really need to come over and have a look at it to really appreciate the house itself. So if there's no other questions, I want to thank you all for joining me, and I really look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.